Good evening all of you, this is Swati and the topic I am going to teach you is asexual mode of reproduction. So first of all we will know what is asexual reproduction. It is the mode of reproduction in which new offsprings are produced by single parent and the offspring produced asexually are genetically and physically identical to each other. Now this is the primary form of reproduction in all the prokaryotes, that is single-celled organism, and many eukaryotes like plants, animals and fungi reproduce asexually. In asexual mode of reproduction, the offspring inherit the full set of gene from their single parent. Now there are several modes of asexual reproduction like binary fission, fragmentation, budding, regeneration, vegetative propagation, spore formation, etc. So first of all we will know about binary fission. The word fission means to divide and the word binary means two. So binary fission indicates that division of a cell into two. Now the cell division pattern in these organisms may vary. For example, we can see here in amoeba there is no definite body shape, so the division may occur through any plane of the body. But in case of leishmania there is a definite body shape, so the division will start through a definite through the end of the body and finally it will give rise to two individuals. Next mode is fragmentation. This could be seen in organisms like spirogyra and planaria, etc. Here it is shown in the diagram. Spirogyra, suppose under any circumstances if the body of a spirogyra get fragmented into two or more pieces, then each fragment will produce a new individual. Third mode is regeneration. It is the power of growing a new organism from the lost body part. For example, we all must have seen that if a lizard loses its tail, then a new tail grows. This happens due to regenerative cells or specialized cells present in their body. So regeneration could be also seen in organism like planaria. Here planaria is shown in the diagram. Suppose under any circumstances or accidentally if the body of planaria splits into two or many pieces, then all the pieces or some of the pieces may regenerate into a new organism. The fourth mode is budding. Budding is the process of producing new organism through buds that develop on the parent body. We could see budding in organisms like Hydra, which contain regenerative cell at certain places of the in their body, where buds could be produced through repetitive cell division. Now these buds get their nutrition and shelter from the parent organism, and when it is fully matured it gets detached from the main body and develops into a new organism. The next mode is vegetative propagation. The asexual reproduction in plants occur through their vegetative parts like leaves, roots, stems, buds, etc. So we can see vegetative propagation in potato tuber, onion bulbs, etc. Here in the diagram we can see a new plant body is emerging from the potato tuber. Next is spore formation. Spore formation, before knowing what is a spore formation, we all must have seen that if we keep a slice of bread outside the refrigerator for few days, then we can observe bread mold over the bread, which we also know as fungus. Now if we observe this bread mold under the microscope, we will able to see a blob on the stick-like structure. Now, here we can see in the diagram, this is the blob part and this is the stick. So this stick is known as hyphae and the blob-like structure is known as sporangium. Now, under unfavorable condition, this blob-like structure remains closed like a sac, enclosing so many spores inside it. After getting the favorable condition, this sporangium bursts out, releasing spores. When these spores fall on the wet surface of bread or anything else, it produces a new plant body. So this was all about the modes of asexual reproduction. Thank you.